So for the first one, the question was, how do you subtract one integer from another? And the answer is, you add the opposite. For number 3, which is different, the one that was different said, what is 3 less than negative 2? 3 less than negative 2 means we're subtracting the 3. Negative 2 minus 3. Same sign, so we add to get 5 and keep to get negative 5. So the answer is negative 5 here, where all the other ones had a total of positive 5. For numbers 5 and 7, number 5, negative 9 minus 5 becomes negative 9 plus a negative 5, which was C. And for number 7, 9 minus 5 turns into 9 plus a negative 5, which was B. Okay, so for number 9, it's 2 negatives right next to each other. We turn that into a big plus. 8, 5, same sign, so we add and keep it positive. Here I have negative 2 and negative 3. Same sign, so I add and keep. Number 13, same sign, so I add and keep. Number 15, different sign, so I subtract and keep the sign of the larger, which is the positive. For number 17, turn that into a big plus, and it becomes 15 plus 2. Same sign, add and keep. For number 19, turn that into a big plus. Different sign, so I subtract and keep the sign of the larger absolute value, which is the positive in this case, positive 1. Same sign here, negative 10 and negative 12, so I add and keep. And over here, 0 doesn't have a sign, but 0 minus 20, or we just look at this as we're combining a negative 20 and 0. So we get negative 20. For this problem here, the floor of the shallow end of a swimming pool is at negative 3 feet. The floor of the deep end is 9 feet deeper. Which expression can be used to find the depth of the deep end? Well, we start at negative 3, and then we take off an additional 9, or we subtract 9. Negative 3 minus 9, right there. Last problems here. I've got negative 2, negative 7, positive 15. Well, same sign here for these two. So I add and keep. Bring this down. Now I have different signs. So I subtract and keep it positive for the 15 in this case. Here, I'm going to turn this into a big plus. So I have 12, positive 5, negative 8. Same sign here, so I'll add and keep. And then different sign here, so I subtract and keep the sign of the larger, which is the positive. Last problem, turn that into a big plus. Negative 6 plus 8, different sign, so I subtract and keep it positive because the 8 has the bigger absolute value and it's positive. And add and keep, because they're the same sign, positive 8. Now, some of you might have combined negative 6 and positive 6 right off the bat because they're opposites, leaving you just with the 8, and you would have gotten the same answer. Well, now you can head over and do journal page 14. Have a good night. See you.